In this video, I'm going to give you a brief overview of how the features function works on your site builder. While logged in to your site builder, click on the Features tab. When it opens up, you'll see something very similar to the design function. We'll scroll down through here, you'll see all the different functions or features that can be added to your MyCity app site. Most of these features that are relevant to your site are already set up. There are some things that you can set up by yourself. So real quick, I'll run through these features. The first box is just a welcome box. Click Next on that. This is a Call Us feature. This is usually where we set up a taxi cab number. You can remove it easily by clicking the Remove button, and that'll remove that feature. You can always add it back at any other time if you want to. You can also change the number to call someone else if you'd like. Real quick, I'll show you how the Options feature works. Works the same on all the different features that you have here. If you click the Options button while in a feature, here you can do a couple different things. Actually, three different things. You can name the feature. Right now we have Call a Taxi. You could put Call Me or call whoever you'd like. This is the position indicator. If you click the drop down, you'll see we have 18 icons listed, 18 different pages. We have this listed as number 1, so therefore it shows up the very first icon on your site. If you put it number 3, it would show up as the third icon on your site. This works the same in all the features on the rest of this application. Also, this is a place where you can change the icon. Click Change Icon, and you will see that it comes up there. And here you can scroll through. You can either choose different icon sets, or you can choose different icons within that set. And of course, on this one, we clicked on the telephone, so that is the icon that we'll be using for Call Us. Once you have everything set the way you want, you just click OK, and it opens up to the next feature, which is the Find Us feature. We don't use this on this site because you probably don't want anyone to know where you live, so we haven't added that. You could put an address to the center of your town if you want. It would actually make a map to the center of your particular city. Okay, we'll scroll on down and skip over a few of these. Some of these functions have to do with business apps rather than your MyCity app, so we'll scroll down through them. Images, this is where you would put a gallery of pictures for your city. You click on that, it opens up, and you can either put a link to an existing gallery, or you can upload images right to this gallery. We don't have any pictures uploaded for your site. Obviously, if you're in your city and you have some pictures taken, you can add them here. The About function, we use that as a way to highlight our sponsor, and our sponsor is Strano Realtors, so we have put in a brief description of what Strano Realtors is. We've uploaded their logo, and by uploading a logo, all you have to do is click the little yellow square, and you can upload the picture just like you would on an email or anything else. Once you have it uploaded, you can size it just by pulling, dragging, and dropping. And then we put their address, and we put the website address, which is linkable to their website. And here's a little bit of information about them. This is how you add information for another page, for a business listing. It all is similar in every function that we have here. Hit OK. It updates your site and opens up the Products tab. We obviously don't have any products to sell. If you did, that's where you would list them. There is a payment function built into the sites so that you can collect payments with PayPal if you have t-shirts or crafts or anything like that that you want to sell on your site. Well, going down through, coupons is added to this particular site. They're usually not added to your site when you get it because you'd have to sell the coupons in order to put them on. But this is where you would put your coupons if you wanted to enter them. Call Me Back feature you probably won't use. What I want to really point out on this builder is how it opens like an accordion. If you'll notice on news feeds, you don't see any of your news feeds until you click news feed, and when you do, it'll open up and you'll see the ability to open up to put in another RSS feed, but it also opens up all of your other news feeds that we already have pre-built in your site. Your sports feed, your traffic or weather or movies or news, anything that comes in with a RSS feed, this is where you'll find it. You can edit those just by clicking on that particular feed. It opens up and that's where you name it and put the RSS feed URL in the box. We'll talk more about RSS feeds in another video. The blog is already added. We have that set up for you. If you click on blog, it opens up your blogs, which you only have one right now. You click on it and it opens up and tells the URL to your WordPress blog. A lot of people ask us, well, how do you create a direct icon or a direct link? You do that under the Create Link tab. You click Create Link and you just put the name of the business and you put the URL of their website. Pick an icon by clicking the Options button. Change your icon and hit Add to Site, and it will go right onto your site. We've included a few links for you. Usually we have Yelp on the sites already for you. Creating a page is the same way. You have to click on Create Page. It opens up all of your pages that we have created. And of course you can create as many pages as you want. Where it says New Page 4, just name the page, put in your content, upload a picture, create a link, just like you would in an email, and hit Add to Site, and it will go right onto your site. You can add YouTube videos, you can add forms. There's a form creator. There's an events calendar that we have set up for you through Google. You'll have your username and password information for that in the welcome email that we sent you. You can do reviews. The QR code feature is very cool. If you'll click on that, it will actually generate a QR code in a PDF format for you. Just click that and it would generate that. I'm not going to generate it because of the video that we're doing right now. You can add your Facebook. If you create a Facebook page for your site, you can add your Facebook ID there. Site translation, which will change in just a click of the button the language that your site is in. Traffic Booster is where you put in your keywords for your site to help with the search engines. So the best thing to do is just to go through each one of these tabs and play with them. You really can't break anything. If you have any issues though, be sure and contact us at support@mycityapp.com.